children.
Hello, children. Today, I will tell you about arrays in computer science. Arrays are special places where you can organize different pieces of information. They make it easy to find the data you need. Imagine it like a shelf for toys, where each toy has its own specific spot, making it easier to find. By the pond, the puppy and the ladybug were trying to understand what arrays are. The puppy thought arrays were something you could write on with chalk, while the ladybug insisted they were places for picnic snacks. Listening to their conversation, I explained to them that in computer science, arrays are organized spots in the computer's memory where we store various pieces of information, like a list of their favorite treats. On the flower meadow, the rat and the kitten were talking about how to use arrays in everyday life. The rat said he made an array with the names of the animals in the park, where at index 0 is the puppy and at index 1 is the kitten. The kitten added that when he forgets which animal has what password, he looks at the password array and quickly finds them thanks to the numbers, or indices. I clarified that an index is the number of a spot in the array, starting from 0, and that it helps us quickly access the needed data. At the playground, the parakeet and the bee were getting ready to work together. I decided to check their knowledge and ask them what they know about arrays. The parakeet said that an array is a sequence of information where each item has its index or spot number, which makes it easy to find. For example, index 0 is apple and index 1 is banana. The bee added that when planning projects, she writes tasks in the array and assigns them indices so she can quickly check what to do first. I praised them for their good answers. Arrays are organized collections of data that we access using indices. Let's summarize what we learned today, children. Arrays in computer science are places where we store organized data. Each element in an array has its own number, which is called an index. This allows us to quickly find it. This is very useful when we want to remember something and easily return to it later. See you next time.